now in the slide as well. Now, the study planner, the smart study planner, the VLS is going to provide you with a planner. There's an app that you can download and you can, write your start date. The planner is automatically going to tell you how many lecture videos you should watch, how many question practice videos you should watch. And, the plan is to, first of all, be realistic, okay? Do not include any time which is not realistically available, okay? Mark out days you cannot study first, okay? So first get rid of them. Then, you have to find rhythm, you have to be consistent, okay? Short, frequent sessions or early mornings. Be realistic, whatever is okay for you, okay? You must take breaks, okay? A 5 to 10 minutes break is always important. You should not be studying like for 2 hours or 3 hours. You study for an hour, you study for 15 minutes, you have a 5 to 10 minutes break, you again come back to study, okay? When I do my revision sessions, they're quite long. We will have the revision session. It's a 3-hour session. At the end, we are talking about May. So I do a 50-minute session. I take a 10 minutes break. Then we do another 50 minutes so that, you get recharged and your focus is there. Fine. So when you're studying on your own, you have to be realistic. You have to find the right time, whatever suits you. Some people like to study early, some people like to study late, something like that, whatever suits you, okay? So use the VLS planner. And the most important thing in studies, in life, is consistency, okay? So consistency is very important, okay? Don't have like 4 to 5 hour session and then nothing for 2 weeks, okay? Do study every day. So this is very important.